Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, April 30th, and I'm going to be analyzing the pound US dollar starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on the pound dollar, I'm still a big believer that this is going to make a higher low, and I still think this is going to go up. I think it's likely to make a wave C that will most likely take out these highs. It could possibly make a lower higher at like the 100 or the 78%, but either way, either scenario, I think we have a decent amount of upside potential. So taking it down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I still think this is nice and pulsive up wave 1. I think this is a running flat wave 2. Definitely fits the characteristics of a running flat with this higher low and higher high. Now I think there's a very good chance that this right here is a wave 1, and I think this is a wave 2 of wave 3. Whether the wave 2 is actually over or not, I guess we'll find out. We have interest rate news for the dollar tomorrow. It probably would be a pretty good idea to either confirm or invalidate that the wave 2 is over and that this is actually going up for a wave 3. So taking a look at it on the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, definitely very impulsive up and definitely a breaker structure. Like I said, we got that interest rate news tomorrow, which I was suspecting would cause the dollar to go up, which would actually cause this to go down, but I don't really think it's going to go down and make a new low. If anything, it's probably just going to be a correction to the uptrend, and I think it's likely it will just keep on trending up. So taking a look at it on the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, the last couple of days I've been saying that I was thinking that it would go down and make a correction and set itself up for a trade on Wednesday's news. But really what's important to see is that it just keeps on making higher lows, higher lows, higher lows, higher lows, higher lows. We should definitely be trading with the trend. The trend is our friend, and we definitely want to trade with the trend. This could easily just keep on making higher highs, higher lows, all the way up to a higher Fibonacci level prior to tomorrow's news pretty easily. This is obviously all just one uptrend, and I would still label it as either a wave A or a wave 1, just like I said yesterday. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, I mean, I would definitely think that this would be like a wave A and this would be a wave B, and that it would go down again for a wave C. But like I was just explaining on the 4 hour time frame, I'm definitely not looking for shorts. I'm looking for longs. This thing is continuing to make higher highs, higher lows, and I definitely do not fight the trend. I always trade with the trend. I am a trend trader, which means I am only looking for longs at the end of pullbacks. I think there's a good chance that this could go down, but I think there's probably a better chance that it's just going to keep on going up and making higher highs, higher lows based on the higher time frame. There's been a couple times over the past few, weeks where I thought this was possibly going to make a move down, and it never did. Instead, it just kept on going up, and luckily, I've been trading with the trend the whole time, so I've been doing nothing but looking for longs at the end of every pullback I see for the continuation of the uptrend. Like I always say, the trend is your friend, and you definitely don't want to fight your friend. But we do have the interest rate news coming out on Wednesday, and I will be live streaming for that news event on Wednesday, so definitely make sure you hit that notification bell so you do not miss out on my future live streams, which I have one today, and I also have one at tomorrow's interest rate news. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And don't forget to check out my membership program that gives you access to all my daily live trading sessions. And it also gives you access to all my swing trade setups that I share with the members at the time of entry by signing up at my website, fxpipcollector.com. As always, thank you and happy trading.